Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn English with a fun animals quiz. Let's learn together. Question 1. Choose the option that fits the blank. Hi, I'm A. Monkey. B. Elephant. C. Donkey. Answer is C, because we see the donkey on the picture. It says, Hi, I'm a donkey. Question 2. Choose the option that fits the blank. I can walk and run. A. Snake. B. Goat. C. Donkey. Answer is B. Goat. It says, I'm a goat. I can walk and run. Question 3. Answer the following question. Can you jump? A. I can swim. B. Yes, I can. C. No, I can't. Answer the question based on the animal you see in the picture. Answer is B. Can you jump? Yes, I can. Question 4. Choose the option that fits the blank. I like, but I don't like. A. Ducks, cows. B. Horses, donkeys. C. Monkeys, snakes. Use the animals you see in the picture to answer the question. Answer is B, because we see a horse and a donkey on the picture. I like horses, but I don't like donkeys.
Question 5. Which animal is meant to be described by the sentence? It's a spider. Answer is B, because we see a spider on option B. Question 6. Choose the option that fits the blank. There are 4. A. Horses. B. Ducks. C. Chickens. Answer is C. There are 4 chickens. Question 7. Choose the option that fits the blank. I can't walk. A. Snake. B. Cow. C. Elephant. Answer is A. I'm a snake. I can't walk. Question 8. Choose the option that fits the blank. Horses. A. Can't walk. B. Can run. C. Can't run. Answer is B. Horses can run. Question 9. Choose the option that fits the blank. I am a duck. A. I can talk. B. I can swim. C. I can climb. Answer is B. I am a duck. I can swim. Question 10. Find the picture that fits the sentence. I like cows very much. Answer is A. Option A shows a cow. I like cows very much. Question 11. Choose the option that fits the blank. I can climb. A. Monkey. B. Goat. C. Donkey. Answer is A. I'm a monkey. I can climb. Question 12. Answer the question. Can you swim? A. Yes, I can. B. I can swim. C. No, I can't. Use the animals you see in the picture to answer the question. Answer is C. Can you swim? No, I can't.
Thanks for watching and learning with us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And if there's a topic or subject you'd like us to cover next, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.